Hey guys, Chris from QuickBooks here with another quick update. Today's update will be going through a new feature recently released to QuickBooks Online, the ability to be able to share your invoices through WhatsApp. So without further ado, let's see this feature in action. First thing you want to do naturally is create an invoice, so let's click that plus icon and select invoice. Now we're going to select our customer. There we go. And now we're going to put in a product or service. So we've got catering today. I haven't set up a rate for this service yet, so I'm just going to put one in today. Now when you go to, instead of clicking save and close, you want to click that drop down icon and select save and share with WhatsApp. And what that's going to do is it's going to sort of prompt a little preview message. Now WhatsApp does require you to put in an email address for your customer, so if you don't have one, I suggest putting in your email address and then not ticking save email address. But if you do have your customer's email address, this is a great opportunity to sort of update the customer's contact information. If you tick save email address, that'll actually go ahead and save onto the customer card in QuickBooks. So we're going to do that and click on share and close, and here we go. It's going to open up in a new tab. So next thing you want to do is you want to grab your phone and then you want to jump into the WhatsApp app. So we're going to go in there and you see here, now if you're using an Android, you're going to look for the three dots. If you're using an Apple, you want to look for that little gear icon in the settings. So we're going to tap that, and then you want to select the option WhatsApp web/desktop, and then you want to scan that QR code on the right hand side. So we're going to go like that. And what that's going to do here is it's like, hey, who do you want to send it to? So I'm going to tick, hey, I want to send it to Drew. I'm going to send it across. And then you say, hey, here's a little preview message. You can actually update that if you like, and then you can go on send. There you go. And then what will happen is naturally your customer will receive a little WhatsApp message from you, and they can tap that link to open up an invoice preview on their browser of their phone. So this is really great. Now naturally I haven't set up invoice customizations too much on this file, but you can see here like it does bring across the customizations that you have made for your invoice templates. You see here, and then naturally if you've got your payment details in there, they can go ahead and log into their internet banking and pay you straight away. So yeah, that is the feature. One thing I will call out is I know a couple of customers have already started asking, hey, is this available on other transactions that are in QuickBooks? At this point in time, it's only available for invoices. If you'd like to see this functionality rolled out to something like quotes or sales receipts, please do leave your feedback in product, or naturally, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section down below, and I'll see you next time for our next quick update.